Welcome back. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Griha. We're now getting some more breaking news. Now, Supreme Court has released Tahir Hussain on custody parole. We are told that Hussain will be released every day for 12 hours as per jail rules, and he can only visit his party office and constituency, and he can't visit his own house in that time. That has been stipulated for him to be outside jail premises. Expenses of 4.14 lakh rupees per day will be borne by Tahir Hussain himself. This is the latest that's coming in from the Supreme Court, as that grant has been given by the Apex Court for Tahir Hussain to go to his constituency and in fact meet with the voters, as he is being cast as a candidate by the AIMIM for the Delhi elections. Ananya, my colleague, is with us on the broadcast. Ananya, some sort of a relief by the Supreme Court for Tahir Hussain, although there was a question and concern about security, even if there is a custodial release that's been granted to him by the court.
Well, definitely, the matter had travelled a lot of back and forth. Remember that the High Court had turned down his plea for an interim bail, though had granted him to, go for custody parole to file his nomination. And, before the Supreme Court, also a two-judges bench first heard the matter. There was, in fact, a diversion of opinion between the two. It was a split verdict. The matter now travelled before a three-judges bench, and now finally, Mr. Siddharth Agarwal, who was appearing for Tahir Hussain, completely pointed out to the court that, he's confining the relief to only a custody parole being granted, wherein, he will be accompanied by security personnel of the 3rd Battalion of the Delhi Police. And it was stated that, he will have to bear the expenses of, all these security officials, because, if they are providing him security for a private thing, then, he has to bond these expenses, which comes down to over 4,18,000, rupees per day, and that has to be paid in advance each day, is what the Supreme Court has directed. But two important conditions, Priya, that has come across for Tahir Hussain is A, that he cannot visit his house. The only places that he can go is his constituency and also the party office of the AIMIM. And subsequently, he will have to go every day from the jail and come back to the jail as per the jail rules itself. So he'll be out for 12 hours. He has to plan his day accordingly. And then, he can campaign for the elections from tomorrow till the 3rd of February. And on the 3rd of February, he'll have to come back finally before the jail itself.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Ananya.